A good brush has miles to go before it must be discarded. How do you make sure it goes the full distance? Let's go over some tips to take care for your trusty paintbrush. The best place to start? Know your brush. Knowing each brush's purpose will tell you a lot about when, why, and how to use it for what it is designed to do. Next tip. Wide bristled brushes, which are meant for oil paints, must be stored separately. Immerse acrylic or watercolor brushes in water. Oil brushes are washed with turpentine and must not touch brushes washed with water. Never leave a used brush to dry away between painting sessions. In fact, when not in use, wash brushes thoroughly and pat dry with a clean dry cloth. Another tip. Bristles tend to spread apart after washing. Tie them with a string to retain their original shape. Lastly, for long-term storage, store brushes with naphthalene balls to keep pests away. Caring for a good brush is really simple and requires minimal effort. But if done right, it'll be a while before you need a replacement.